Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to do egg bites, a very easy and delicious recipe. For the recipe, take a pan, pour some oil in it, around 2 tablespoons. Here I am using Idayam Mantra groundnut oil. To this add 1 chopped onion, 5 chopped beans, 1 grated carrot and 1 grated potato. Let us saute this. All the vegetables has to get cooked well, so let us close this and cook for a few minutes. Once the vegetables are ready, add half a teaspoon of cumin powder and half a teaspoon of chilli powder. Saute this for another 1 or 2 minutes. Finally, add a handful of chopped coriander leaves. The vegetables are ready, set this aside. Now take a bowl, break open 4 eggs. Now let us beat this nicely. To the beaten egg, add required amount of salt, 1 chopped green chilli and the sauteed vegetables. We are going to give this a nice mix. Our egg mixture is ready. You can either pour this directly into oil and fry them, or you can use a appe pan. Here I have added oil in the appe pan, that is paniyaram pan. Once the oil is hot enough, you can pour the egg mixture. Close this with the lid and cook for a few minutes. This side is done. Let us flip them. The egg bites are ready. It is golden brown now. Let us take it out. This will be soft and will taste so good. Hope you like the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.